Good morning, students. Now, today we will continue with the trigonometry exercise 3.3 with remaining question. Now, the question up to question number 20th exercise 3.3 is completed. Today we will start the exercise 3.3 and question number 21st. So, what is the question number 21st? Prove that cos 4x plus cos 3x plus cos 2x upon same term in the form of sin 4x plus sin 3x plus sin 2x is equal to cot 3x. Now students, we have to prove this LHS is equal to RHS. Now here cot 3x. Now students, when we use these two cos 4x plus cos 3x, then by applying the formula, then 4x plus 3x upon 2, then that will not cancel, so we can make the pair here. So take LHS. LHS is cos 4x plus cos 3x plus cos 2x upon sin 4x plus sin 3x plus sin 2x. Students, here we will make the pair. So it will come cos 4x. After pairing cos 4x, we are combining these two terms plus cos 2x and plus cos 3x, right this side at last, and same here in denominator sin 4x plus sin 2x and write sin 3x as the last. Now you know the formula. What is the formula of cos C plus cos D? We know that cos C plus cos D is cos C plus cos D, that is equal to 2 cos C plus D upon 2 into cos C minus D upon 2. Now you know that how you will remember it. Cos is boss, so it will come along. So only cos is coming here. Second is sin C. Here we will apply the formula in these two terms. Sin C plus sin D. So sin will not come along. So we apply the formula 2 sin C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. After that, apply the formula here. What will come here? Cos C plus cos D. We are applying this formula. It will come 2 cos C plus D. 4x plus 2x upon 2 into cos of 4x minus 2x upon 2. And last term is as it is plus cos 3x. And denominator. At denominator, this is x, and here apply sin C plus sin D, so it will come 2 sin C plus D 4x plus 2x upon 2 into cos 4x minus 2x upon 2 plus sin 3x. After that, what will come here? Solve it. It will come 2 cos 6x upon 2 3x into cos 2x upon 2, that is x, plus cos 3x. And in here 2 sin, this is 2 sin 6x upon 2 3x into cos 2x upon 2x plus sin 3x. So after this step, what we can do here? We can take common from numerator and denominator. What we can take common? We can take common here. This term, what is common here? Cos 3x. We can take common here cos 3x. So it will come 2 cos x plus 1 sin 3x, because sin 3x is present in this term and in this term. So sin 3x is common. What is left here? 2 cos x plus 1. Now student, this term is same, so cancel. Now what is coming here? Cos 3x upon sin 3x. And this is equal to cos upon sin, that is cot. So it is coming here cot 3x. And that is equal to RHS. Hence, left hand side is equal to right hand side, hence proved. So this is the solution of question number 21st. Now after that students, we will solve the question number 22nd. So open your book and see the question number 22nd. What is the question number 22nd? The question number 22nd is in the form of cot. See the question number 22nd. That is prove that. Now what is the question? Cot x into cot 2x. Yes. What is the next step? Yes. Minus cot 2x into cot 3x minus, yes, that is cot 3x into cot x is equal to 1. This is the question number 22nd. That is cot x into cot 2x minus cot 2x into cot 3x minus cot 3x into cot x is equal to 1. Now students, how we can solve this term that is equal to 1? So this is the trick here. You know the formula of cot A plus B. What is the formula of cot A plus B? That is cot A cot B minus 1 upon cot A plus cot B. So how we can apply here cot A plus B? Here A plus B is not there. So we can change this term. Now let us start the solution. We can write which is highest. Here coefficient of x is 1, here 2 and here 3. So which is the highest? That is cot 3x. So we can break this term. Break this term, we can write this 2x plus x. Cot 3x is cot 2x plus x. Now we can apply the formula here. What is the formula of cot A plus B? Cot A plus B is equal to cot A into cot B. Here plus, then here minus will come upon cot A plus cot B. Or you can write cot B plus cot A. So apply this formula here. Cot 3x as it is. Now cot of A, cot 2x into cot x minus 1 upon cot A means cot 2x plus cot x. After that we will multiply this term, cross multiply cot 3x into cot of 2x plus cot x is equal to cot x cot 2x into cot x minus 1. Now students, open the bracket here. What will come here? It will come cot 3x into cot 2x. And here cot plus cot 3x into cot x. After that here cot 2x into cot x minus 1. And here you can see the question. The 1 is in right hand side and that is positive. So transfer this 1 in this side and this term in left hand side. So it will come cot 2x into cot x. Transfer this term that side, so it will come minus cot 3x into cot 2x minus cot 3x into cot x is equal to 1. So you can see the term, check this term, cot x into cot 2x into cot x minus cot 3x into cot 2x minus cot 3x into cot x equal to 1. So hence left hand side is equal to right hand side. So hence prove. This is the solution of question number 22nd. In this way you can find out one more question according to tan x. Tan x into tan 2x minus tan 2x into tan 3x and tan 3x into tan x is equal to 1. That is the example. You can solve that question. Same method is there. In the form of tan you can break tan of a plus b. Means tan 3x is there, then you can apply tan 2x plus x. What is the formula of tan a plus b? That is tan a plus tan b upon 1 minus tan a tan b. So solve that example also. Same method is there. After that we will solve the question number 23rd. Now what is the question number 23rd? See the question number 23rd. This is very important question number 23rd. In question number 23rd, you have to prove that tan 4x is equal to tan 4x. Question number 23rd. Tan 4x is equal to, yes, 4 tan x. Next term is 1 minus tan square x upon 1 minus 6 tan square x plus tan 4 tan raised to power 4x. Now check this question. Now after that we will this one writing the question. We start the question. Write the question. Which term we will take here? Here we can apply the formula. So take left hand side. What is left hand side? That is tan 4x. Now students, we can break this term tan 4x as a tan 2 into 2x because we are knowing the formula of tan 2x. What is the formula of tan 2x? That is equal to 2 tan x upon 1 minus tan square x. So here we will apply the formula. This is tan 2 into 2x. So here what will come? 2, what is x here? X is this one 2x. So it will come 2 tan 2x upon 1 minus tan square. What is x here? That is 2x. After that students, here again we can apply the formula. It will come 2 into, what is the formula of tan 2x? This formula we are applying here. 2 tan x. So 2 tan x. 2 is as it is and here we are applying the formula. It will come 1 minus tan square x. And then denominator, it will come 1 minus, again apply here tan 2x whole square. We can write this tan 2x whole square in this way. After that I am writing here. So what will come here? This term will come 2 into 2 tan x upon 1 minus tan square x whole divided by 1 minus, what is the formula of tan 2x? That is 2 tan x upon 1 minus tan square x that student, after this step, what will come here students? It will come here. Now this term here 4 and here 1 minus tan square x, 4 upon 1 minus tan square x, and here 1 minus. So this term will cancel with this. What is left here in the numerator? It is coming here 4 tan x into 1 minus tan square x upon, that is 1 plus 10 raised to power 4x minus 2 tan square x and minus 4 tan square x, that is minus 6 tan square x, and same term we can write here in this term in this form 4 tan x into 1 minus tan square x upon 1 plus 1 minus 6 tan square x plus 10 raised to power 4x, that is equal to RHS. Hence LHS is equal to RHS, hence proved. So this question is also very important. So note this question students. Now after that we will solve the question number 24th. Now students, question number 24th is cos 4x into 1 minus 8 sin square x into cos square x. 8 sin square x into cos square x. So which term we will take here? So let us start the solution. We will take this LHS. What is LHS? That is cos 4x. Same as the previous question, you can make this term as cos 2 into 2 theta. We can write this term cos 2 into 2x, that is equal to 4x. And we know that what is the formula of cos 2x? Now students, there are 4 formulas for cos 2x. One is cos square x minus sin square x. Second is 1 minus 2 sin square x. Third is cos square x minus 1. In this way we can write the fourth question. One is cos 2x equal to 1 minus tan square x upon 1 plus tan square. So which formula we can apply here? You have to see this right hand side. In right hand side you have to take sin square x, 1 minus sin square x into cos square x. So we will use the formula here as cos 2x is equal to 1 minus sin square 2 sin square x. We will use this formula. Cos 2x is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square x. So here what will come here? Cos 2 into 2x. What will come here? It will come 1 minus 2 sin square. What is x? That is 2x. So in next step we can write here 1 minus 2 sin 2x whole square. And you know the formula of here. You can see the right hand side here 2x, but here sin x. So we will change this formula. Again we will apply the formula, that is sin 2x. What is the formula of sin 2x? That is 2 sin x into cos x. Because in right hand side we have to prove in the form of sin x and cos x. So we will apply here 1 minus 2. What is the formula of sin 2x? That is 2 sin x cos x whole square. After that we will open the square. 1 minus 2 as it is, it will come 4 sin square x cos square x. Now after that multiply it will come 1 minus 8 sin square x into cos square x. So this is the right hand side. So it means left hand side is equal to right hand side. Hence proved. Now students, after this question we will solve the last question, that is question number 25th. Now question number 25th is, see the question. What is question number 25th? Question number 25th is prove that cos 6x. Question number 25th is cos 6x What is the question number 25? Cos 6x is equal to 32 cos raised to power 6x minus 48 cos raised to power 4x plus 18 cos square x minus 1. Check the question, that is 32 cos raised to power 6x minus 48 cos 4x plus 18 cos square x minus 1. So let us start this question. Which term we will take here? This LHS. So LHS is cos of 6x, and we can write this cos 6x as cos 2 into 3x. You know that cos 2 theta. What is the formula of cos 2 theta? And here we have to change right hand side in the form of cos. So we will use the formula of here cos. In previous question you have seen that right hand side was in the form of sine and cos. That's why we have choose that formula 1 minus 2 sine square x. Here in the form of cos, so we will use here, we know which formula we will use here, that is cos of 2x. What is the formula of cos 2x? That is 2 cos square x minus 1. Why we are using this one? Because the right hand side is in the form of cos. So after that 2, what is the value of cos square x? What is theta here? Theta is here cos square 3x. Theta is 3x minus 1. In next step we can write this term, you know that cos 3x whole square. We can write this term as in this form. Now students, here we will use the formula that is cos 3 theta. We know cos 3 theta. What is the formula of cos 3 theta? Learn the formula cos 3 theta. That is 4 cos cube theta. Theta is here x. 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. Means cos 3x is equal to 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. So in the place of cos 3x students, we will use this formula. Now 2 as it is, what is the formula of cos 3x? Write this one, 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x, and here square, so write here square minus 1. Now students, what is your next step? You will open the square. We will open the square a minus b whole square. So what will come here? Now after that it will come 2 into a square, so 16 cos cube x whole square, so it will come 6x a square plus b square, or a square plus b square minus 2ab. So 4th 12 to 24 minus 24 cos 4x, because it is coming like a square plus b square minus 2ab, minus 2 into a into b, then plus 9 cos square x minus 1, a square plus b square minus 2ab. Now open the bracket, it will come 32 cos raised to power 6x minus 48 cos raised to power 4x plus 18 cos square x minus 1. And you can see here, this is your right hand side. Check your right hand side, this is same, 32 cos 6x minus 48 cos 4x plus 18 cos square x minus 1. That is equal to right hand side. Now LHS is equal to RHS. Now this question is proved, now hence proved. This is the solution of question number 25th. Now students, in this way you can solve this exercise. Now thank you students.